Okay, dear friends, I will go on the Bandit games. I'd like to start from where we are left, and the level should be 16. And this is the instruction. Yeah, we need to submit the password for the current level to the port number. And using the SSL encryption, I think the tool I'd like to use is OpenSSL. Okay. So first of all, I'd like to Bandit connect to the target server. And this password. All right. Next, we need to use the OpenSSL to connect to this port number. All right. OpenSSL. Let's press enter. And here give us some instruction how to use this command. Or maybe we can use the help option. Standard commands. The message digest commands. Cipher. So I think we can use the S client to, so you know OpenSSL can work as client or server. Depends on how we configure this command. Client help again. Yeah. You know, we need to fully utilize the help provided by the utility. Yeah, I think we need to use the connect. Yeah, where to connect. So connect. And the local host, port number. All right, let's press enter. And then we need to submit the password of a current level. Let's, correct. Yeah, we got the password for the next level. We can copy and exit from the current session. So now we can log in to the target as the Bandit 16. And we can paste the password. Now we can go back to the website to take a look at the instruction for the next level. The credentials for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level. Similarly to the last level, a port on localhost in the range. And first find out which of these ports have a server listening on them. And then find out which of those speaks SSL and which don't. There is only one server that will give the next credentials. The others will simply send back to you whatever you sent it. So I think the first command we need to run is a map. Yeah, we need to do the port scanning. Yeah, for the range. Yeah, between this port number and this one. Okay, so now we can unmap and we can specify the port range to, and the flag or the option is SV, and the target should be localhost. Let's press enter. I think I need to double check whether I have already configured the port range properly. Yeah, it's correct. So now we just wait for this to be completed. And then I think we can use the similar command as the last one, open SSL and S-client, which means that we will act as client to connect to the target. Okay. Because the target is on the internet, so it will take a bit long time. I think it would be better if it's finished, and then I'll come back to continue this video. Okay, it's done. As you can see, there are several open ports, but this one speaks or use SSL, and also this one. So we can use the open SSL to connect to the target, and S-client, and connect localhost, the port number. All right, we send the password of a current user. So this just the target sends back or reply back with the same information. So this is not what we are looking for. And I think this port number should be the right one. So which one? Yeah, this one. Okay, so we can just change the port number to this one. Which one? Okay. And paste the password of a current user. Yeah, we got back the private key for the next level. We can make a copy, and we can navigate or generate our own directory under the temp directory. Yeah, already exists. This one. Yeah, and then JSON, and then we can generate the private key. Write and quit, and then we need to change the permission for this private key to use, and then we can SSH. And ID, private key, Bandit 17, and the localhost. Of course, we need to specify the port number to connect to. Press enter. Yeah, we have already connected or logged in as the Bandit 17. Now we can move forward to the next level. Yeah, the two files in the home directory, the passwords and the passwords new. The password for the next level is in this one, and it's only line that has been changed between passwords old and password new. So I think now we can list the files first in the home directory, and then we can use the diff command to find the differences between two files, passwords new and passwords old. All right, so I think this password should be the password for the next level, and then we can exit, and then we can log in to the Bandit 18. Yeah, connection reset by peer, because I think I made too much request to the server. Yeah, we can paste the password. So the password is not correct. This one? So maybe this one? Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, already we successfully log in as the user Bandit 18, but immediately close the collection by the target server. And we can go back to the next level. Yeah, the password for the next level is stored in the README in the home directory. Unfortunately, someone has modified the bash rc file to log you out when you log in with SSH. So of course, you know, we can specify the command to run cat. We do not need to log in. Cat the README or home README, or maybe this one. This would be better. README. So the password, paste from the clipboard. Yeah, we got the password for the next level. And then we can go on to the 19. Not correct. Weird. This one? Yeah, it works. So now we can come back to the Bandit. Yeah, to gain access to the next level, you should use the set UID binary in the home directory. Execute it without arguments to find out how to use it. The password for this level can be found in the usual place. Yeah, this one. So I think now we need the files in the home directory. Yeah, this command has SUID bit. So we just run. Yeah, give us instruction, run a command as another user. The ID. So maybe we can cut the, because we know the place of our password file for the next level. And the name Bandit 20. All right, we got the password for the Bandit 20. So I think now we can move forward to the next level. But I think I can cut the video now, and because I don't want the video to be long. Okay, so see you. Bye. Have a nice day.